हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज करेंगे ओडिशा यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन का पार्ट 4 क्वेश्चन पेपर का 50 क्वेश्चंस वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 और अब शुरू होंगे हमारे कुछ नॉन लिटरेरी क्वेश्चंस। 51 क्वेश्चन। सेक्स ऑफ अ पर्सन इज सोशली डिटर्मिन्ड, बायोलॉजिकली डिटर्मिन्ड, साइकोलॉजिकली डिटर्मिन्ड और कल्चरली डिटर्मिन्ड। The correct answer is option C, biologically. A person's biological sex usually refers to their status as female, male or intersex depending on their chromosomes, reproductive organs and some other features biologically. Option C here is the right answer. Next question. Masculinity and femininity are typically linked to what? The correct answer is gender. Masculinity and femininity refer to individuals' gender in terms of maleness and femaleness respectively. Gender roles are those socially ascribed normative behaviors with respect to given gender, and that is what we call to be masculine and feminine. Next question. The ability to perceive existing gender differences and issues and to incorporate these into strategies and actions is called gender sensitivity. Sensitivity is to understand and give consideration to socio-economic, socio-cultural norms and discriminations in order to acknowledge the different rights, different roles and different responsibilities of women and men in the community and also the relationship between them. 54. That females are thought to be emotional, dependent and not aggressive is an example of sex role stereotypes. Option A. Question 55. When was the Declaration of Human Rights established? The correct answer is 1948. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is an international document adopted by UN, that is United Nations General Assembly. It was done in 1948. UN Decade for Women is actually, so the answer is from 1975 to 1985, but this one can be taken as the best possible answer here. Question 57. Which of the following according to Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar, forms the essence of caste? Ambedkar has evaluated that the endogamy means the absence of intermarriage, is the only one that can be called the essence of caste and only characteristic that is peculiar to caste. No civilized society of today presents more survivals of primitive times than does the Indian society, like the custom of exogamy. So option B here is the right answer. Question 58. According to Ambedkar, the two customs of sati and enforced widowhood was intended to solve the problem of. इसके आंसर में surplus women और men दोनों ही आ सकते हैं. According to Ambedkar, these systems were there to solve the troubles of surplus women and surplus men. 59. The essay "We Should All Be Feminists," written by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. He is a Nigerian author. Option B here is the right answer. And Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain Sultana Dream is an example of option C, feminist utopia. To which fictional place does Sultana travel to in Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain Sultana's Dream? The correct answer is option B, Ladyland. The story imagined a woman called Sultana who reaches a place called Ladyland. The place is also, of course, imaginative. Question 62. What is the primary difference between summarizing and paraphrasing? Summarizing का मतलब होता है कि किसी भी टेक्स्ट को थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट कर देना और paraphrasing का मतलब होता है to rewrite in your own words. So option C here is the right answer. 63. Following sentence. Read the following sentence and choose the best definition for the underlined word by searching the context. The volcano lies dormant now, but it will erupt again within the year. The correct answer is option A, inactive. Dormant means inactive or not active for some time. कुछ टाइम के लिए कोई चीज एक्टिव नहीं होती, then we use this term. Next question, question 64. Match the following critical thinking skills to their representative verbs. Synthesis, analysis, evaluation, knowledge. Option A here is the right answer. Synthesis will match with organize or design. Analysis will go with critique or summarize. And evaluation will go with compare or categorize. And knowledge will go with identify and label. So option A here is the right answer. Next question, question 65. Read the following paragraph and carefully determine the main idea of the paragraph. Critical reading is a demanding process. To read critically, you must slow down your reading and with a pencil in hand perform specific operations on the text. Mark up the text with your reactions, conclusions, and questions. You become an active participant when you read. The author basically stresses here on the need to read critically by performing thoughtful and careful operations on the text. Option D here so is the right answer. So far we have done 65 questions and we will continue the series. I hope it is being helpful for you. Please do not forget to share and subscribe to the channel and provide your valuable feedback in the form of comment.